Ladies and gentlemen, participants, and guests, I am honored to welcome you to our debate. My name is Usher, and I will be your chairperson for this engaging exchange of ideas. The topic for today's debate is: should software testing techniques and strategy be standardized across all domains, or should they be customized based on the specific requirements and challenges of each domain? Our participants should present their arguments and counter arguments in a respectful and organized manner. The purpose of this debate is to foster critical thinking, thoughtful discourse, and a deeper understanding of the subject at hand. So now let's introduce our participants. Representing the affirmative side, we have Kafi, Shan, and Hafizuddin. And representing the negative side, we have Danisha, Leila, and Adam. They'll present their viewpoints on the topic. Let's start with the opening statements from Kafi.
Okay, thank you for chairperson. I know about the customization have a benefit or have advantage like dynamic and other, but while customization may seem beneficial, standardization unit testing technique across different domain can offer several advantages. So I think it's one important point. Standardization ensure consistency in testing practice, making it easier to transfer knowledge and resource between a project and a team. This consistency can lead to greater efficiency as a team member can apply familiar testing approach without the need for a significant relearn or adoption standard. And second, customization make a lead over it and complexity. A customized unit testing technique may require a significant amount of time and effort to develop and maintain for its domain. This can lead to increased overhead and complexity, potentially slowing down to development process and impeding overall progress. Standardization testing technique, on the other hand, can be more streamlined and require fewer resources to implementation and manage. And I think it's one.
All right, so the next statement, we will go to Danisha.
All right, thank you, Chairperson. Good evening to the Chairperson, fellow debaters. I'm from the negative side, and I hereby stand against the standardization of software testing techniques and strategies across all domains. It is because only with customized testing techniques and strategy, the specific issues and risks present in each domain can be easily identified, ensuring the highest level of software quality. Now, I'll begin with my main argument points. Customized unit testing is crucial in healthcare and finance domain due to the demands of precision and regulatory compliance. Healthcare software must ensure patient safety and data security, while financial systems require accuracy and protection against fraud. Customized testing helps address these challenges by ensuring the software operates flawlessly within the unique parameters of each domain. Gray box testing is a strategy that can be implemented, allowing for targeted evaluation of critical functions specific to each domain. By embracing it, this sector can ensure precision, regulatory adherence, patient well-being, and financial integrity. I support my point based on a study done by Zamfiro and his friends, which states that it is considered for IoT architecture. Unit testing represents the device testing with two main categories, one for device interaction layer and another one for the user interaction layer. Now I'll hand it over to the affirmative team for their input. Thank you.
All right, so the next person going will be Asha. You can start.
Good evening. So what I'm going to tell about standardized side. So regulator compliance can be addressed with standardization. So standardized unit testing technique can be adapted to include industry-specific regulations and compliance requirements. By incorporating these standards into standardized testing practices, so you can ensure that software adheres to legal and regulatory guidelines without necessarily requiring full customization for each domain.
So for the last statement, I'll hand it over to Leila.
Good evening. Thank you, Chairperson. I'll be doing my points now. So, increasing diverse consumer demands, rapid advancements in digital technology, and increasing internet access are shifting the market trend to smart, connected, and customized Internet of Things products. Customized unit testing in IoT is crucial due to these reasons. Number one is scalability. Customized IoT solutions should be designed with scalability, the capability of a system to grow. As needs grow, the IoT system can expand smoothly without disruptions. So this is the reasons one customized unit testing should be involved in IoT. The second reason is security. Different IoT applications require different security measures. So customized IoT solutions rather than standardized IoT solutions must be aligned with industry standards and compliance needs. Third reason is user experience. Customized IoT solutions must cater to end user specific needs and preferences. This enhances the overall user experience. Based on these reasons, one strategy can be used, which is performance testing. Performance testing is closely related to the mentioned factors of scalability and user experience. In the context of IoT products, where devices are interconnected and provide real-time data and responses, performance becomes critical aspect. I support my points by a case study by Jonica, Sonika, and Redo Schimmer, Teresa Stark. Systematic product development methodology for customizable IoT devices. Thank you.
All right, so now that the rebuttals have been finished, we can move on to closing statements. So the first statement will be done by Hafiz.
Okay, good evening to ladies and gentlemen. Thank you to the chairperson. Okay, from that, we can know that on the other hand, the merits of standardizations are equally compelling. So the standardizing unit testing technique offer consistency that streamlines knowledge transfer and resource allocation and collaboration among resource and different projects and the teams. So the economies of scale provided by standardization can lead to improved efficiency as familiar practice eliminate the needs of extensive relearning or adaptation. From that, moreover, standardization testing approach can be adapted and accommodating real-world scenarios through comprehensive test case designs. In additionally, also, the adaptable nature of standardization method can facilitate and innovative by ensuring compatibility, which emphasizing the technologies and industry trends.
And for the closing side, for the negative, Adam.
Thank you, Mr. Chairperson. Ladies and gentlemen, fellow debaters, in a rapidly evolving digital landscape, the question of whether to standardize or customize unit testing techniques is paramount. Our team firmly supports customization, which is tailoring testing to the distinct demands of each domain. Customized unit testing recognizes the unique challenges of various industries. Targeting critical components specific to each domain, we optimize resource allocation, ensuring efficient and effective testing. Moreover, customized unit testing offers enhanced test coverage. It validates software within the context of real-world scenarios, guaranteeing robustness of the software and quality within the domain's intricacies. Regulatory compliance is non-negotiable in sectors like autonomous vehicles and e-commerce. Customized testing ensures that these domains adhere to industry-specific regulations, mitigating legal risk. And lastly, customization fosters innovation and future readiness. It enables adaptation to emerging technologies, making software not only relevant, but also poised for future growth. In this dynamic era, customization is the linchpin for successful unit testing. It empowers us to create a more resilient, compliant, and innovative software tailored to the needs of each domain. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you. So if anyone would like to ask any question, the floor is open.
Okay, so I would like to ask a question to Kafi. He mentioned that the customization of software technique is complex, but can he explain how it is complex? For example, we cannot standardize the unit testing for the autonomous vehicle control system and healthcare system.
We must know about real world scenario can be simulated in a standardized testing, while customized testing emphasize real world scenario. It's important to note that a standardized testing can also incorporate relevant scenario by addition comprehensive test case. This test case can simulate various scenarios that reflect the complexity of different domains.
All right, so is there any other questions anyone wants to ask?
No.
All right. So thanks everyone for being a part of this enlightening debate. Let us remember that the purpose of this event is not just to win, but to engage in meaningful discourse and broaden our perspectives. Let's proceed with mutual respect and a commitment to more thoughtful conversations. Thank you, everyone.